This car ran a red light and then got hit by another car. It ran straight into a pedestrian. Then it fell on top of another car coming. But luckily, the drivers were all okay. Oh, wonderful! Oh, this car tried to pass too fast, then suddenly swerved to the side of the road, and unfortunately flipped over and flew to the other side of the road. This car had an accident and stopped in the middle of the road. But then it became an obstacle for other cars and caused an accident.
Mami, me acaban de chocar.
Oh my gosh, what an unexpected accident. But luckily, everyone is okay. Scary. Look at him. He crashed a car. But he was fine, and he was still sober when he got out of his car. Scary. This tractor trailer flipped over and even had its front end ripped off. And according to the driver's video, the driver of that car was fine. But as for the car, I think it was pretty bad. Oh, look, that car was towed. The car was overturned, but surprisingly, he still stood up. And the people in the car were completely fine.
So much money.
God damn it.
This guy showed off that he was a racer when he went with his girlfriend. But right after that, he had to accept a humiliating ending. A reckless student crossed the street and was hit by a car. Something worse could have happened to the boy because the car was damaged. Oh, can you tell me if this is a festival or a coincidence? This car had a flat tire while driving, but the driver seemed to have a lot of experience, so he stopped the car very safely. Wow, this is a big accident. Which car do you think is at fault? This guy fell asleep in his car, and after crashing into the wall, suddenly woke up, but then lost control and crashed into a car, driving in the same lane. Oh, two cars were going in opposite directions, but they didn't pay attention and accidentally caused an accident. Wow, that car flipped over and went forward. This car is very good. It has been in 2 accidents but only suffered minor damage.
Shit.
I think this car has lost profit, but luckily, the machine did not cause an accident to anyone. Oh no, this was a total minor collision. But I think it was quite costly for the guy, because that was quite an expensive car. Oh, this car lost control from the upper lane and went straight under a moving truck. Lucky for him because he was okay afterwards. People said after the accident, both cars were badly damaged, but people only had superficial injuries. How lucky. Wow, 2 stabs in a row. But look, he's completely fine. This driver was driving on a deserted road. And look how fast he reacted when he encountered the car in front of him.
Oh my God! Oh. Oh my God.
He was so lucky. The collision was not light, but he was still completely fine. Oh, this car lost control and crashed head-on into the car next to it. Luckily, the car's airbags were fully deployed and he was fine.
Adventure.
Oh, that's an army tank. But this situation might be awkward. The car was going at high speed, but when he reached the corner, he lost control and the car flipped over. Oh, what a sad accident for him. He wasn't paying attention when he changed lanes. Oh,